everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kinara and today's video is how I turned my old dupatta into a new kurta. As you can see in the picture here on the screen, I'm going to make a similar looking kurta so that it matches with the picture. For that, all you need is a tape, a scissors, a chalk or a pen, and most importantly, you need a sewing skills. If you know sewing skills, you can make this one. You can make anything if you know sewing skills. I mean, you can make clothes if you know, and it might save your money also. But if you don't know, my advice will be please go and learn because it will help you in the future. Now let's see how I turned this dupatta into a kurta in the fast motion with some fun music in the background, and in the end I will see you again. Let's go watch it. Okay guys, I wore this now, so I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how kurta looks. I hope it looks similar like that. So yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also comment down below